Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to listen to Audible books on your Kindle e-reader. First, make sure your specific Kindle model supports Audible playback, as not all do. Then, you will need to pair a Bluetooth audio device, such as headphones or a speaker, with your Kindle. Finally, download your desired Audible audiobook directly onto your Kindle device. Once your audiobook is downloaded, navigate to your library on the Kindle home screen. You will see a dedicated section for Audible books. Simply tap on the cover of the audiobook you wish to enjoy. Your Kindle will then display playback controls, allowing you to pause, play, skip forward or backward by 30 seconds, and adjust the volume. For a truly integrated experience, consider WhisperSync for voice. This feature allows you to switch seamlessly between reading the Kindle ebook and listening to its Audible counterpart. You simply need to own both versions of the book. Your progress is automatically synchronized across all your compatible devices, ensuring you never lose your place, whether you are reading or listening. To ensure a smooth listening experience, always check your Kindle's battery level, especially for longer audiobooks. A stable Wi-Fi connection is essential for downloading your Audible titles quickly and efficiently. Also, regularly update your Kindle's software to access the latest features and improvements, ensuring optimal performance for your audiobooks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.